What was Einstein's famous equation? E equals mc squared, right? Doesn't mean a thing to you and me. No. What did the, okay, this applies. What did the E stand for in his equation? Energy equals, what is the M? Mass or matter. What is C squared? What? Mm-mm. The C stands for the speed of light. Mass times the speed of light, which is? Really fast? 186,000 miles per second, that quantity squared. Okay, what? Now, for our conversation here, this part doesn't matter a whole lot. What he said was energy and matter are the same thing. Let's get back to your thoughts. So you said molecules are energy, but we said before you came in, we said if you go to each level more subtle of you, like that you go from tissues to organs, to cells, to molecules, to atoms, to empty space, to energy. If you go down, if you dive down deep enough in you and me, there's nothing there. That's the truth. That's from a scientific viewpoint. There's nothing there physically, if you dive down deeply enough. Now, the reason why I throw that out here is because we think we end at the emotions and the physical level and the psychological. We think that's all there is. In modern day education. And that's all that people work with, is to there. That's all this is dealing with, is to there. Now, somebody explain for me. Has anyone, okay, this is going to, left turn. Has anyone in here been to a acupuncturist that had acupuncture done on you? Explain.
Testing, so it wasn't like I didn't actually go. When I was on cruise, there was like a wellness class thing,
Mm-hmm.
and I was picked for the acupuncturist. They just did it in my hand.
Just in your hand?
For back pain is what they're.
For back pain. Okay, let's hold on to that one.
I had it done in my back for back pain.
So you had back pain?
They call it dry needling. It's very similar to acupuncture.
Yeah.
In my back for back pain.
Okay. Anybody?
It feels good though, but I hate it.
Anybody else had any experience with acupuncture at all?
My grandma used to have it done on her eyes.
She'd stick needles in her eyes?
No,